Welcome to a video tutorial from Human Capital Management Department on how to fill in the online application form for WIUT administrative positions. Now, let's start from an example. Most of the time, the form is filled in English, but if you see that the job publication is in Russian, you can fill in the form in Russian as well. The form consists of 7 sections, which are personal details, employment, education and qualifications, practical training, languages, motivation, and vision. First of all, you have to specify the position you are applying for. It is preferable to copy and paste it from the job description. Then, in the personal details section, you indicate your first and last names, date and place of birth. After this, you share your contacts such as email address and telephone numbers. Please, make sure the contact information is valid and up to date. Do not forget to indicate the source where you found the vacancy. The next step is to answer the following 3 questions. Going to the section of employment, you have to indicate the workplaces for the last 10 years, including work period, name of your organization, your position, and the main duties. In addition, we also need name and contacts of your supervisor in the company you worked for, just in case we have any questions regarding your candidacy. To add a workplace, just add more row. In the education and qualifications section, you have to specify the date, name and the location of an institution you studied in, the degree you are holding, and its subject area. To add a university or institution, just add more row. If applicable, you can add some practical training courses you have got. In the languages section, please indicate the languages you know and the level of proficiency in reading, writing, and speaking in each language, on a scale from 1 to 5, where 1 is the minimum knowledge and 5 is the proficient level. To add a language, just add more row. The next sections, which are motivation and vision, one of the most important parts for us. Therefore, please, make sure that you pay enough attention to them. Here, you should give us the reasons why you would like to work at WIUT and how exactly you see the position you are applying for. Once you make sure that all the sections are filled in, you tick the confirmation box. Quickly prove that you are not a robot, and submit your application. That's it. Thank you for your attention.